Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is not too much about Corel as much as it is about Cuddle. There's their website, and here's a product that they just put out. A two-layered snowflake. And look at that. If you use two different colored woods or even painted your woods, and you could, what I like about this, I could actually probably draw this, but I can't draw it this fast. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the name to trying to think of another girl's name, Jill. And you don't even have to get, caps. Let's try another one, Betty. You don't have to type in caps or anything. It's going to automatically cap it. You can change the size. You can skew it more. Well, 255 skews too much. It's just a little slow reacting. I'm not a very patient person. So it skewed it, then just download it. It's number 3. I'm going to go to Corel, open up the deal. I'm going to go to File and Import. There it is right there, number 3. And also it's a little bit later in the time. I'm going to open it. And you don't want to drag it, you just want to hit it because it is, 4 inches, and that's what you made it. Now, I don't know if it doesn't import it perfectly, but what you have to do is select it all, go up to Object Group and ungroup it. And see, it won't do it, but I got to go to Group and ungroup again. And then you could, I would strongly suggest you nudge and not move. So there is the first layer. And for some reason, you just need to watch it. Anything you do, turn it into a hairline. I'd go ahead and make it red that you signified it. This, I'm going to take away the fill, and it's red, but I'm going to make it a hairline to cut out. And if you painted, let's just play. Let's take this and let's take the Smart Fill tool and let's paint the back this light blue. Or if you used, different colored woods. And on this one, we'll make it kind of stand out. We'll use a green and put it like right in there. And if you painted it, or if you used a maple against a walnut, that's what it's going to look like. That's not real. Let's make it red so it kind of stands out. That's what it's going to look like. There's going to be blue behind the Brianna, or Betty, I think I used. I put an R in Betty, but she won't care. But there's Leah, it'll do any, if you had to do 15 of these with different names, it would take you some time. This is almost too easy. Anyway, just some ideas, and I'll leave this link at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.